Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know it, we got to talk about yesterday's whisper. So yesterday I was still hot on Bank of America, bullish above that 17 level, and it did hit that second target of $17.12. And look at it go today. Earnings came out. They were really good, or actually better than expected. The stock is reacting very positively to it. So I still want to trade this stock today. These are the levels that I'm watching. You can see there's a print right here at $17.62, otherwise known as 17 5/8. Yep, we're still trading in fractions. I have an upper end target of $17.87, 17 7/8. You can see I drew these lines quite a while ago. Or it could possibly come up to 18, but 17.87 is my upper end target as long as it stays above 17.62. All right, that's where a lot of the price action is coming in here. Also yesterday, I really like GFI. We spotted prints in the morning at about $3.10. And I told you my first target, the first level of resistance was 320. It came right there, could not break through it. If it does do a retest of that today, tomorrow, definitely worth watching, but there's no volume today, so therefore not going to take the trade. Always looking for volume. GSK, told you to keep an eye on this guy. We saw prints in the morning at about 43.17, and look at this thing. I was bullish above 43.20. It popped all the way to 43.40. Many of the guys in the trading room got a piece of this one yesterday, and also told you to watch MU. I told you I spotted selling at this 20 area yesterday, and you can see it was unable to break through and came down. We had some great trades on the short side off of that. So once a month we do a day trading challenge, and yesterday was the big day. My traders were rocking it, but there was one in particular, Ricky, aka the Options Whisperer. She made over $10 on this 3 separate trades. She was scaling out, so congratulations, Ricky. You really showed us how to do it yesterday. And I have to mention the runner-up, Leslie, aka the Glider Girl. This girl rocked it for $2.93. I'll be telling you about your prize when I do the morning meeting. All right, so tonight we're doing a free webinar called How to Profit Off the Dark Pool. And due to an overwhelming response, wow, we had so many people register for this event. We're putting another one on the schedule July 29th. There's limited seats, so I suggest you log in early if you want to attend it live. But as long as you registered, you will get a free recording of it. But you can also, if you want to attend it live and you can't get in for any reason tonight, I'm going to be putting one on the schedule for July 29th, and you can get in there at the next live event. All right, so what are we watching today? Well, besides Bank of America levels that I just pointed out to you, just put that up one more time. All right, it's still coasting at this 17.62 level. I also have my eye on Delta. Delta came out with earnings. You can see it popped up and then dropped. You know, when they turn negative like that, that's a very bearish sign. And then when they start negative and go positive, like Wells Fargo yesterday, that's really bullish. So that's a little earnings trick that I use. So I saw most of the selling was just above this 43.50 level. So I'm going to use that level as a marker today. If it does break above that, I would look to possibly go long, but really above 44, but bearish below 43.50 today. And also check out this print on the QQQ. All right, this is an early morning breadcrumb, 100,000 shares at 110.58 cents. So, you know, usually where there's one, there's a lot more. So I'm going to use that level, actually 110.60, as a marker today. Bullish above, bearish below, no thinking. Come watch me trade these stocks and so many more at the Java Pit Trading Room at www www.thestockwhisper.com. Happy trading, everybody.